Good evening, I'm Tim Hyatt. The Velocity Media Network would like to apologise to students this evening that we are unable to show the scheduled Velocity Explosion welcome video, the video that was expected to instill a large amount of excitement in your hearts. A court order issued on Wednesday by the Supreme Court means that the Velocity Explosion video series cannot be broadcast on television tonight or via the internet. The Velocity legal team ruled that elements of the Velocity Explosion video series could prove to be unfunny and insulting to certain viewers. We look forward to being able to bring to you at the earliest possible time this amazing Velocity Explosion video, which many critics regard as Velocity's finest. In the meantime, please enjoy tonight's 2 replacement clips, which we hope will both be fresh and exciting and will delight audiences old and young alike.